Hello everyone. Before we solve exercise 1.6, we will see some rules, laws of exponents. First rule is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Second, a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m multiplied by n. Third, a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n, where m is greater than n. Fourth, a raised to m b raised to m is equal to ab whole raised to m, a multiplied by b whole raised to m. Fifth, 1 upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to minus n. Sixth, a raised to m upon n is equal to nth root a raised to m. Now we will solve class 9 chapter 1 number systems exercise 1.6. Question 1. Find the following. First is 64 raised to 1 by 2. Now compare this with a raised to m upon n is equal to nth root a raised to m. Here a is 64, m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. So you can write it this way: square root 64 raised to 1 which is 64. तो यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ 64 का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है विच इज 8. सो आंसर इज 8. सेकेंड 32 रेज टू 1 by 5. अगेन वी विल कंपेयर दिस विथ a रेज टू m by n इज इक्वल टू nth रूट a रेज टू m. हियर a इज इक्वल टू 32, m इज इक्वल टू 1, n इज इक्वल टू 5. So, fifth root 32 is equal to, हमें find करना है 32 का fifth root. We know that 32 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So, can we write it this way? Fifth root 2 raised to 5. So, answer is 2. Third is 125 raised to 1 by 3. Here again compare this with a raised to m by n is equal to nth root a raised to m. So a will be 125, m is 1 and n is 3. So cube root of 125 is equal to cube root 125 का cube root हमें पता है which is 5. So answer is 5. Second question, find the following. First is 9 raised to 3 by 2. Again we will compare this with a raised to m upon n is equal to nth root a raised to m. Here a is equal to 9, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. So अगर इस फॉर्मूला में हम रखें ये वैल्यूज़ देन 9 क्यूब उसका हमें स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है. स्क्वायर रूट 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9. अभी 9 का स्क्वायर रूट है 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So answer is 27. Second question, 32 raised to 2 by 5. Again compare this with a raised to m by n is equal to nth root a raised to m. Here a is equal to 32, m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5. So हमें find करना है fifth root of 32 square. Yeah. So under root square को अगर हम 32 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 32. अब 32 का फिफ्थ रूट है 2 और 32 का फिफ्थ रूट है 2. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. सो आंसर इज 4. सिंपल. थर्ड क्वेश्चन 64 raised to 3 by 4. Again, we will compare this with a raised to m by n is equal to nth root a raised to m. Here a is equal to 16, m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4. So हमें find करना है fourth root of 16 cube. 16 cube is 16 multiply by 16 multiply by 16. अब 16 का fourth root होगा 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So answer is 8. Fourth question 125 raised to minus 1 by 3. Now compare this with e raised to n is equal to 1 upon e raised to minus n or e raised to minus n is equal to 1 upon e raised to n. So अगर ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करें तो हम इसे इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 125 raised to 1 by 3. राइट. सो यहाँ पे हमें फाइंड करना है 125 का क्यूब रूट विच इज 5. सो आंसर इज 1 by 5. राइट. क्वेश्चन 3. Simplify. First question is 2 raised to 2 by 3 multiply by 2 raised to 1 by 5. हम इसको a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n इससे कंपेयर करते हैं तो यहाँ पे हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 2 raised to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. राइट. अब LCM निकाल के हमें आगे बढ़ना है. 2 raised to 10 plus 3 upon 15. So final answer is 2 raised to 13 upon 15. Here is the answer. Second question 1 upon 3 cube whole raised to 7. So अगर हम इसे a by b raised to n इससे कंपेयर करें तो क्या हो सकता है a raised to n upon b raised to n. Here a is 1, b is 3 cube. So 1 raised to 7 upon 3 raised to 3 whole raised to 7. Right. 1 raised to 7 is 1 upon अगर हम इसको कंपेयर करते हैं a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m multiply by n. So here is 3 raised to 3 multiply by 7. So final answer is 3 raised to 21. 1 upon 3 raised to 21. Or 3 raised to minus 21. Third question is 11 raised to 1 by 2 upon 11 raised to 1 by 4. Now can we compare this with a raised to m upon b raised to n? A raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. So 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Again LCM निकाल के 11 raised to 4 minus 2 upon 8. 11 raised to 4 minus 2 is 2 upon 8. ये सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं अगर हम 11 raised to 1 by 4. This is answer. Fourth question 7 raised to 1 by 2 multiply by 8 raised to 1 by 2. यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि बेस अलग है तो हम a raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a multiply by b raised to m इस तरह से हम लिख सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे ऐसी ही सिचुएशन है. Then 7 multiply by 8 whole raised to 1 by 2. Right. 7 multiply by 8 is 56. 56 raised to 1 by 2. Here is the answer. Thank you.